220,000 Palestinians perform Friday prayer at Al-Aqsa. Syria, 20 YPG PKK terrorists killed in Raqqa bombing. 5 soldiers, 47 militants killed in Sinai clashes army. Saudi officials blame Iran for attack on oil facilities. Saudi-led air strikes kill 4, injures 48 in Yemen. Yemen clashes between government and Houthis kill 27 civilians. Muslim group slams deal between Sudan's MTC and opposition. US Senator demands more security after arson at mosque. Police close Algeria's central square to demonstrators. 8 Afghan cops killed by mistake in US air raid. Bangladesh HRW concerned over crackdown on free speech. India's Modi confident of getting majority in polls.